Hello, good morning, friends. We have studied about conviction code in my previous classes about the conviction code time domain and transform domain approaches. And today we will discuss about conviction code examples. Examples are very important in information and theory in coding. So first, this is a block diagram of convolution encoder. Here, here message sequence go to flip-flop 1 and this goes to M1 and again this goes to flip-flop 2 and this message is M2 and here first we will convert this this block diagram in this diagram. So following by convolution encoder diagrams, first thing is dimension of port and code rate. What is the code rate? And constant length, and generating sequence is GP for impulse response, and output sequence for message sequence of 10011. In this diagram, input of flip flop 1 is the current message bit M, and output of flip flop 1 is previous message bit M1. The output of flip flop 2 is previous message of M2. So we can diagram redrawn by in this diagram, and this is the convolution encoder diagram. Here k is 1 means original message bit is M is 1. This bit represent current message bit. This bit is part of shift register also, and M1 and M2 are previous to successive message bit are stored in those two flip-flops. Those two bits M1 and M2 present state of shift register, and X1 and X2 is the output of adder, and finally output given by one or two switch. And here k is 1 means M, and n is 2 means M1 M2. So overall dimension of code is conviction code is n comma k, and normally we can use cyclic code 74, but here we use only short distance. Yeah, we short messages. K is 1 and n is 2, and code rate is again k upon n is equal to 1 upon 3, but constant length k is 3 bit. Here every message bit affected output bit for 3 successive shifts. And fourth thing is generating sequence for impulse response, and it is xi1. Here is xi1 means m plus m1 plus m2 also, adding of all three bits. So generating sequence is gi is equal to 1 1 1, and again x2 for I, adding first and last bit means M and M3. So generating sequence is GI for second is 101. Simply we can generate XI1 and XI2 simply mode 2 adders, and it is very important the output sequence of message sequence of 10011. So given message or is equal to m0, m1, 2, m3, and 4 is 10011. So first we can obtain the output of adder 1. So it is simply summation of L is 0 to m and GL 1 m I minus L, and we can use I is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 also, and m I minus L is equal to 0 4 L is greater than to I. First thing, we can calculate x0 1 for I is equal to 0. It is equal to z0 1 and m1. So we can multiply simply, g0 1 is 1 and m0 is 1. So we can multiply, or we can add simply 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1. Then we can obtain x1 for 1 output is, it is equal to z01 m1 plus z1 for 1 and m0. Again it is I is equal to 1. Here I is equal to 1 means z0 and z1, and put the value, and 1 multiplied by 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1, and again the output of x1 for 1 is 1. Then x2 for 1 is I is equal to 2, and here is z01 m2 plus z11 m1 plus z21 and m0, and we can put the value, and 1 multiplied by 0 plus 1 multiplied by 0 plus 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 0, sorry 1. And again for I is equal to 3, x3 for 1, z01 m3 plus z11 m2 plus g21 m1, and put the value, 1 multiplied by 1 plus 1 multiplied by 0 plus 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 1. And then again for value of I is equal to 4, x4 1 4 is equal to z01 m4 plus g1 1 m3 plus g2 1 m2, and only we can use 3 bits. So x3 x4 x5 and x7, combination of 3 messages, and we can multiply and then add. It is simply adder method. Then x4 is 0 and x5 again is z01 m5 plus g11 m4 plus g21 m3. Here m5 message is 0, and m4 and m3 only messages, and we can multiply then add, and x4 for x5 for 1 is equal to 0, and x6 again m6 and m5 coefficient or messages value is 0. So mg2 1 multiplied by m4 is equal to 1, and x7 again it is 0, and x8 again 0. So output of adder 1 is 1 1 1 1 0 0. Then we can solve here x2 for 2 portion of L2 0 to m, and GL1 m I minus 1, and again we can put the value of I is equal to 0 1 2 3 and so on, and x0 for 2 is g0 to m0 is 1, and x1 for 2 is 0, and x2 for 2 is again 1. Follow same procedure and put the value of 1 0, and put the value of generator matrix or messages, and we can solve x3 to and x4 to x5 to x6 to only they have only 3 bit, and we can multiply and then add. The output of adder 2 is 11110. And finally the output of the encoder of conviction code is sequence 1 x1 and x2. For two sequences we have only two outputs, so output x is equal to x0 1 x0 for 2, and x1 for 1 x1 for 2, and x2 1 for x2 for 2, x3 1 x3 for 2, x4 1 x4 2, x5 1 x5 2, x6 1 x6 1, means 1 1, and again x1 1, and then x1 2 is 1 0, and 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1, and 1 1. It is the convolution encoder. So thank you very much. Keep it up. You will try to example different examples, and